Hello, everybody. I'm here to present a work in progress program that I'm working on. So it is a screenshot manager program. So you can see, um, you can open your screenshot. So this is from my Uberhood folder, and it's able to get all that. And then, for example, I can say here, Cassandra Goth and her baby or something. I don't know. So you can do stuff like that. Um, where was it? We can access it again. It stays there, so you can see the description. Now the layout, it's still a work in progress. But yeah, you can add tags. Yeah, if I want this to be a, I consider this a great shot, I can tag it as a great shot, and then I can, if I want to see all the great shots that I've taken, I can see all of that here. You see, one of my favorites is this one. This one is like one of the firsts. Yeah, so I can do stuff like that. And then what else? There's an or tag. So and is just, it has to have this tag. So if I say Dina Caliente, it needs to have her in the tag. So she's in the background here. I'm still fixing the UI, okay? The or, it has to be either or, and when you use this tag, it has to be like more than one tag here because it needs comparison. So you can have Dina or you can have Nina. So you can have both here, but I didn't take any pictures of them both. So yeah, there's one here with Nina and then one with Dina. And oh, there we go, both. And then you have your, okay, wait, let's go back there, character Dina. And then you have your accept tag. So let's say I want to see tags with Nina and Dina without Mortimer. So it just filters that out. So you can see. And then you can filter it by households. So let's say I want to see the oldies. And then let's do an accept. Accept Coral and Herb oldie. So there's, while playing the oldies, there were two screenshots that I took without them in it. So we can see Angela. We can type here, Angela is slapping Lilith. And I think this is really neat. The reason why I made this program is because in The Sims 2, there's like a storytelling feature, but it's like the camera screenshot quality is so low that like it's a trade-off. But here, when you take screenshots, it puts it all in your folder, but like you can't really arrange it. Now you can. There's a way to view them, and this program does not change those screenshots. It just opens it and makes a new database for all the the tags and the descriptions and stuff. So this is a work in progress. Here's your manage tags option. So you make a type. So for example, oh wait, let me remove the last one. I don't really need it. Type. So there's still work in progress. I still need to do testing, but yeah, there's different types of tags that you can make. You can, make anything, honestly. So I arranged it by character, household, neighborhood, and like types of photos. You can edit this. I can say photo types, save, and then it changes there. And then you can see it changes here too. Headshots. Yeah, sometimes I take headshots of Sims. So yeah. And then your tags, you can say I want only to see the neighborhood tags that I have currently. It's these 6. And then characters, all the characters I have, and I can search them, Mary Sue. And then what else? What else can I demonstrate? Populate is when you make a new thing. So for example, we can remake this in another project. Add project. Test Uberhood. And you can just paste this, create, open this, and it's empty. So what you want to do is populated, and then you refresh your page and it's all here. And then yeah, that's what the populate button is for. And now we have a fresh project. It doesn't have any tags, so I don't need it. We're gonna delete it. There you go. We can go back to this one, and there is like a project folder for this like project, like beside the exe file. I'm still working on it, but basically you can like create a backup of this, because it includes all the tags, all the descriptions and stuff, which is very tedious to do. Like I haven't even finished one rotation of my Uber hood, and I already have 1,370 photos, and that excludes the build photos, which is in another program. I mean, in another folder, which I'm gonna make a new separate project for. But yeah, this is what I've been working on, and I had, what else? The colors, the background, the buttons. It's easily customizable. That's what I've been working on. So yeah, and you know, this is good to make. I like this because I can tell stories and, you know, refresh myself. Let's see. Strange Town. Let's go to Strange Town. Oh, this is the tags that I have so far. I can't tell their names apart. I don't remember their names. The Curious. But yeah. Oh, this is one of my favorite shots. When Ophelia went to college, Olive went and locked a townie in her bedroom right away to start murdering. Yeah. Oh, and then you can do 25, 50 all. Everything's currently a work in progress, but yeah, now it's like all the photos ever. You can scroll down. These are all my Uberhood photos. Why do I have build photos here? To take that out. And you can easily take something out, by the way. I don't feel like demonstrating it now, but you can easily do that. I'll make another video when I'm done. You have Veronaville, and then after Verona, we are going to be in, oh, more build footage. Blue Water Village. See that? Ooh, this is a cute shot. Okay. Yeah. And it goes back to the first one. Anyways, yeah, that's my progress, work in progress. Might finish in a week or two. Yeah, that's about it.